Hi everyone, I'm Brian Ewell, the Master Superintendent of Uplands Golf Club. Each year I like to do some soil tests on our greens, tees, and fairways. We take a composite sample of each green, each tee, and each fairway by taking approximately 12 plugs out of the surfaces. We put them into a bag and then we send these bags off to soil test laboratories. They perform a wide variety of tests and tell us an inventory of what's actually in the soil. We're looking for key nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as well as our micronutrients, nutrients that are required in smaller levels. These soil tests primarily will tell us what is the pH of the soil, in other words, presence of hydrogen ions in soil. When soils are quite acidic, nutrients aren't as readily available, and the bands or the availability of soil are less. So what we like to do is raise our pH up to about 6 to 6.5, and by raising that, the band of available soil becomes more available to grow healthy plants. So one of the things that we do is we take these tests, and in this particular situation, our soil is around 5.3, 5.4 on the pH scale. So what we like to do is apply dolomite lime in this case that will provide calcium and magnesium, and that will raise our soil pH and then make other nutrients more available to grow healthy plants. The average homeowner I hear quite often saying, I have a lot of moss on my lawn, I should apply lime. Actually, dolomite lime really doesn't affect moss. It'll affect healthy plant growth and outcompete the moss. I think this saying comes from back in the day when they used hydrated lime to burn moss. So that's a different story. You'd probably want to use a moss killer in order to manage your moss. But in this case, as far as growing healthy turf, raising the soil pH, having nutrients become available will help us grow a good healthy turf through the growing season. The soil test also provides us this inventory. So when we're building our nutrition plan, we don't want to waste any money by applying potassium, for example, when the soil test shows that we have plenty of potassium. So a few years ago, we had high potassium levels, and we actually took it out of our soil test, our nutrition program, and we were able to grow healthier turf and not spending an extra money on fertilizers that we didn't need. So we do a foliar nutrition program, and we can specifically apply nutrients to meet our needs for growing healthy plants. So when you're managing your home lawn, definitely doesn't hurt to put some dolomite lime on, 5 to 10 pounds per thousand or a bag or two per home lawn. Raise your soil pH, make nutrients become available, and you'll have one of the best looking lawns in your neighborhood. Happy golfing, everyone.